guys, it's Frally and Points on the board here. I am Frally.
I'm Points.
And we are on the board. Yeah. You may recognise this. We are doing Tallcraft Dropper. I'm going to start off with an easier one. Do the triple tricky treat. Pickles, okay.
Which one?
This one I've been tortured. Pickles.
Frally, which one? Which one?
Pickles.
I'm on pickle. I've already done this one.
Oh, you have to set your spawn in there. Come on.
Yeah, no, I know how to.
Do you even Minecraft, bro? Do you even Lucky Black, bro? Do you even Unlucky Black, bro? I'm lagging. Oh, so close first try. Like on my very old Minecraft channel, I got taunted by my friends because I couldn't do this one.
Well, what you gotta do? You gotta catch yourself. That's how I made myself do it.
Hold CTRL. Okay, I'm not lagging.
Oh, I missed it. Slime.
I landed it. Come on, okay, just don't fail, Frally.
Frally, where are you?
I'm at the bottom.
Boom. Oh, nice. You can actually just catch them without getting killed. Nice. Make it. Oh my word. Boom. I almost failed. It's this one again.
This is a random hole.
Yeah, Arachnomondo! Haha, I'm saying Arachnomondo, you make it. I'm trying to find the next one because I don't know what you're trying to go for.
Wait, you seriously try? No, it says make one continuous jump. Did you not listen to it?
No.
Imbecile.
I don't do rules. Rules are for fools.
No, it's not a rule. It says that's how to make it easier. It says a hint.
I don't use hints. I do it in like loads of different goes, and then I stop on like the second one.
Okay, I'm going on to the next one, by the way, because we need to keep this video flowing. Bright idea. This one's like, oh, I'm gonna drink this because this one's pretty easy. I know this makes me nauseatic. Oh no, it just makes me really speedy and nauseatic.
You'll probably see me again. Don't worry. I'm just quickly finishing it off.
There's no spawn point in there. Probably because you think it thinks you're gonna do it first try. Pretty easy.
Who thinks I'm amazing? Comment down below if I'm amazing.
Okay, comment down below. Who's better, Frally or Points?
Everyone's gonna comment Points, aren't they? If you don't comment Points, I will come round to your house and say how bad you are, and I made it.
I'll come round to your house and eat you if you don't vote Frally. Like I'm eating these Pringles type things.
This is basically an all-out war and who's better.
Yeah, let's be honest. It's Frally. I'm the one who came up with the idea of having a YouTube channel.
And there you go. Hello, Frally. Which one are you going? Did you just wait for me, or did you fail Bright's idea?
I stayed on Bright idea.
I'm going to drink the nausea potion. Oh god.
Well, that kills you just then, pretty much. It seals your death.
I almost made it.
No,
seriously, I went down. Where are you going? Oh, down here. You need to just find that one bit and then you can just go straight now.
I think I have a new idea.
Wait, you're going to try it with the potion? With the drinky drink. You're going to try it with the drinky drink? Made it! I've got the bright idea, truly.
You threading the needle. Come on. I'm already here.
Ow, that hurts. I just swam back into lava like it.
You threading the needle. Hurry up. Hurry up.
What?
Threading the needle's the next level.
Did you finish it? Oh, there's the hub one. The hub. I have decent bright idea. Which one are you on?
Threading the needle.
Threading the needle. Are you threading needles? Well, that's the threading needle. Hello.
I
I'm burning like hell.
Ooh.
You've got to thread needles, Farley. You gotta do it better than that.
I'm better than you, at least.
Yeah.
Oh, I almost did that.
Oh, you failed.
And you failed. Oh, I walked into it.
If anyone thinks I am better at life than
I'll be
Farley,
shocked.
down below. If anyone thinks that Farley's better, then die.
Then die.
Like,
If anyone says the point is better, I will eat you.
yeah, but at least dying's better than being eaten.
It happens the same way. They both die. But
One more painful than the other.
people will be more scared of being eaten because I have to see the insides of my intestines and stuff before they
Ow!
go out the other side.
At least I've still got my trophy! I'll press the wrong button.
You know what? I'm sick of this level. I've tried it so many times in my life.
Take my chance. Take my chance.
I did it! Woo!
No, you didn't. You hacked. You pressed slash TP Friday the boss to X minus 5, Y minus 7.
You can't do that. I'm on Pathway Peril. That's not possible. I just wanted to let you know points.
Probably failed.
No, I didn't. I'm on the next one.
I almost made it.
So close! I thought that was right. I almost did Pathway Peril first try. Actually, you know what the best one is? Go skip straight onto Lava Pit. I did this on my old channel, first ever try. Just watch this. Actually, I'm gonna fail. No, I'm not gonna make it.
I failed.
And he nailed! Woo! I did it! Woo! He nailed! And watch this, guys. No! I got the trophy!
Oh, I forgot. I need to press control so I sprint. Well,
Yeah, that might be wise. I'm just hoping that points is failing whilst I'm collecting dozens of
you
trophies.
seriously been collecting trophies?
Yeah.
All I know is you have to just go early. With
Oh
this
my
one.
god, I've just used up all of the trophies. Oh no, I haven't.
I'm making it past all the redstone and diamonds, but I can't make it past the emeralds.
Oh yeah, I've done that already, so yeah.
I know. You've told me.
I'm in the lobby and dying. Woo.
It's because you cheated.
No, I did not.
Yeah, I made it!
I'm on parkour plunge. This one's so easy. It's like not even parkour. It's like so easy, such
Wait,
easy.
which one you want?
Parkour plunge.
Oh, no.
See, this one is so easy. This one is like insanely easy.
Why do I think that this one's parkour?
I don't know. This one is literally.
Wait, is
Did
there
it.
a set spawn point on that one?
Oh! This one. I did it! I got it right! I clicked the right path! Time for the leap of faith. Oh, Tornado Ghost.
There's no spawn
Oh no, this one's easy. Ah, done it! Woohoo! Get wrecked, Niz. I just did parkour plunge and it's so easy. I did first try.
Are you sure you did or did you hack? Hashtag Freddy hack.
I'll get the trophy and I'll show you it.
No one can be that good at parkour plunge. No one can be that good at parkour.
Except the 452 time death run winner. Okay, I'm gonna go on to the next one now because I have 10 lava pit trophies and 4 parkour plunge trophies.
Pick the right one.
Teeny tiny you. Oh, this one. Why am I jumping into a creeper's nuts? I've jumped into his nuts. That's so inappropriate. This is PG. Keep it PG, bro. Parental guidance. Keep it PG, Tallcraft. Oh, I did it without dying. I'm a hacker, so I die every day. But then I get raised by mercy. I'm a hacker, so then I get raised by mercy.
Riley, which one are you on?
Teeny tiny you.
Riley, we all know that you're small, so you don't need to call it that. Oh.
What? Did you just jump into the creeper's nuts?
Pardon?
Like, come here, come here. Go stay at spawn point. And look this way. Look this way. You have to jump into his nuts.
Yeah, I know. I've just seen him trying to. Right, jump!
Ow.
Wait, I said my spawn point, but it didn't say.
No, you didn't. You didn't walk in it. Everyone saw you fail it.
Okay, is that good enough now? Is it
9.
good enough for a graph? Is that good enough?
And
Don't worry, you can see me again. No! Oh, I didn't even jump. Everyone's seen me
I'm
fail.
literally this
No.
guy. I've ditched points and I've gone with this
I
guy
did
called
it.
Bit Crazy because he seems able to do this parkour.
Wait, why are there invisible blocks?
Because there is, okay? I really hope you die because of that. That would be a really good thing.
Okay. Where am I supposed to go?
Somewhere.
Am I supposed to go on the blade?
Maybe.
Oh, well, I failed.
Ha!
If any one of you saw me, you would have just seen me fall through the whole sky.
Where's the hacker?
Somebody wants to
Tell me the world was gonna roll me. Take to get a shot ahead.
She was looking kinda dumb with a finger and
Her
a
bum.
bit of an M on her forehead.
I've done it. I've done teeny tiny you. That was so easy.
So much to do, so much to say, so what's wrong with taking the bathroom? You never know if you don't know. You never try it if you don't know. Hey, no.
I reckon it's in the sun.
What?
This trophy on teeny tiny you. I've done it. So I'm going to get the trophy. Oh, yep, it's in the sun. How did I know? Maybe it's I've done it like 20 billion times.
Rubbish, everyone knows YouTube.
No, they don't.
Yeah, they do.
No, they don't, because they watch me do it.
Into the chicken.
Computer time! My best subject at school is computing, so I should be good at this.
Into the pig.
Oh, I know how to do this one. This one's easy.
Oh, I died. Oh, well.
It says failing.
I missed. In London, I need to try and go from creeper into the chicken. That's my challenge. I'm
You're
gonna skip
still
every
on
single
teeny
step.
tiny you. Come on, boy.
Teeny tiny you. I'm gonna go straight from the. Oh, I missed it. Okay, Frally, what challenge should I do? Should I go from the creeper to the cow, to the pig, or creeper to the chicken?
Pig. Jump onto its eye.
Yeah, I know how to jump onto its eye. Oh! What was invisible blocks here?
I've so failed this one. No. Oh!
Well, I also failed. I forgot there was invisible blocks. I just jumped onto one. I was like, why did I lose all this health? And I realised it.
Okay, massive jump. What a jump. That's gonna be in. I'm gonna land it.
I
did it! I did the first jump on computer time. My computer. I'm literally just trying to quickly finish this before the end of the video.
The favorite one was just dying. Oh no.
Ah!
Okay,
go back to the lobby. We need to end the video.
I love how you haven't even really been listening to me, but I was just showing out the favorite one.
Go /hub, because
Why?
we need to finish the video.
Well, can I just finish jumping from this to this?
15 lava pit trophies. 1 pathway peril. 1 threading the needle. 1 giant world. The most trophies I have for one is hot swirl. I have 23.
Why do you keep on doing hot swirl?
No, I just keep getting tons every time I do it. I have 7 army.
I'm doing a dance for you.
We're at the end. Thank you very much for watching this video. I've been Farley. Quickly, 3 seconds.